Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up audio on Canva. So first, open up your video or file. So in your screen, you can see here a sample video with an audio added into it. So while there's no direct way where you can speed up the audio, you see when you right click on this audio, there's no option or setting where we can speed it up, but we can still look for ways to speed up the audio. And to do that, all you have to do is export this video file first together with its audio. Just click on the share button and download this file. So we're going to download it as an MP4 video. Proceed with download. So once the video is done downloading, you just have to upload it once again on this canvas. And to do that, in the left panel, click on Uploads. Upload your file by clicking on Upload Files, and you can drag it back to your canvas. Put it on top, adjust it to make it as seamless as your background. Then once done, you can also put it below. Just right click, click on layer and send it to back. Click on the added video, then click on the 1 times icon or the speed icon. And from here, you can adjust the speed on your preference. And that will also mean that the audio of the video will be speed up. Also, make sure that you mute the original audio of the video to avoid overlapping sounds. So just click on the original video and make sure that you toggle this off. But if it's grayed out like this, that only means that the existing video is already mute. You don't have to make any more changes. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!